Okay, today is going to be the day that we put in our Jannetty Racing. The dipstick comes like this here. I ordered it on Tuesday. It was at my house by Friday. Came from Jannetty Racing. They're up there in Waterbury, Connecticut. Thanks, Ted, for a nice product. It really is all preformed. It looks good. It looks like an OEM part or better. It's got the grommet at the bottom, so you get a good seal. Right now there's just a plug down there, so you don't really know what you have unless you go up underneath there, pull the plug, and try to dip it or mess around like that. So it's also pre-marked. I don't know if you can see this here. Crosshatch section right in here, so you can tell when it's low or full, or hopefully not over full. It's got a nice lock down top to lock it in place, and then pop it up and pull it out. Got the car jacked up. Gonna have to get up underneath there, fish this thing down through. There's a bolt here that bolts onto the transmission to hold it securely in place. So we're going to work on that. Here, and we fit it one time, and right here is where the starter wire is going to come in. And I really would like to have a little bit more of a recess here so it doesn't wear away over time. And I really don't want to run the wire on the outside either, because that's going to put too much pressure on that wire, it looks like. So I'm just going to cut a small notch in here for the wire. Okay, we cut the notch out. That should give plenty of room for the starter wire, and filed it down and rounded off all the edges so there's no sharp edges anymore. So I think we'll have plenty of clearance for that. Okay, we got the Jannetty dipstick in. There's a little bit of a fight with the wiring and such, but it worked out. Looks pretty much like it belongs there.